Welcome back in a new video. In this video, we are going to take an overview of the introduction to FIDIC contract conditions. Okay, so let's start. So first, what is FIDIC? Here you can see we have here the French words. Okay, here you can see. So FIDIC stands for the Federation International, the Engineers Councils. You can see here these are the French words, which means International Federation of Consulting Engineers. Okay, so it was established in 1913 in Switzerland, and since then it has become one of the most respected organizations in the engineering and construction world. So FIDIC publishes standard forms of contracts for construction and consultancy services used worldwide. So these contracts are designed to ensure, here you can see, fair risk allocation between employer and contractor, then clarity in roles and responsibilities, then consistency in project execution, especially for international projects. Okay. So FIDIC's mission is to promote best practices and provide standard documents that reduce disputes and improve collaboration in engineering and construction projects. Next, why FIDIC is important. So FIDIC contracts are recognized and used in over 100 countries and endorsed by major organizations such as the World Bank and Asian Development Bank. So they are important because here you can see globally accepted in 100 countries, standardization for the international projects, balanced risk sharing between employer and contractors, then legal recognition in the court and arbitration. So they standardize contractual terms across international projects, reducing confusion. So they ensures balanced risk sharing, meaning neither the employer nor the contractor bear all risk. So they are legally recognized in most, you can say, arbitration and often used in arbitration or court proceedings. So they simplify international collaboration uh, by using a common contract language understood globally. So, in short, if you are working on international or large scale infrastructure projects, so FIDIC is the foundation for fair and transparent contract management. So, next we have purpose of FIDIC contracts. So, the main purpose of FIDIC contract is to clearly define the rights, obligation, and liabilities of all parties involved in a project. So they aim to reduce misunderstanding and dispute by setting out clear procedures for, here you can see, the payments and variations, delays and EOT claims and dispute resolution, transparent project delivery framework. Okay. So actually, FIDI contracts promotes transparency, efficiency, and accountability, ensuring projects are completed within time, cost, and quality targets. Okay, so I hope purpose of FIDI contracts are clear. Next, we have evolution of FIDIC. So here you can see first 1957, the first FIDIC contract based on ICE conditions. So the first FIDIC contract was published based on ICE. ICE stand for Institution of Civil Engineers, UK. Okay, so then in 1999, the famous rainbow suit was introduced, including red, yellow, and silver books. Then in 2017, the modern edition were released with the stronger procedures for dispute avoidance. Then a clear claim management process, then improve communication and record keepings. Okay, so today FIDIC continues to uh, evolve, adapting to the needs of modern infrastructure projects, uh, PPP models, and digital project management tools like Primavera P6. Okay. Next, FIDIC contract forms, Rainbow. You can see here the first we have the form, purpose, then example. So first one is the you can see we have here red book. So its purpose is the employer design construction by contractor, then example roads and bridges. Okay. So second we have here the yellow book. Purpose is the contractor design and construction, then example power plant. Silver book EPC, EPC then turnkey, then contractor assumes max risk, industrial facilities, then green book, short form, small, and then you can say simple projects, minor civil works, that is the example. Then gold book, design, build, operates, long-term BOT of projects. Okay, so the last we have here the blue book, dredging and marine work, port reclamation. Okay, so each form provides a different level of responsibility and risk sharing model, ensuring flexibility for every project type. So next we have structure of FIDIC contracts. Okay, so here you can see we have first general conditions. Okay, so under general conditions, you can see here standard text by FIDIC, then defined roles, risk, procedures, then cannot be changed. Okay. So standard FIDIC text applicable to all projects. It defines general rights, obligations, and procedures, and it should not be modified except through the particular conditions. So second, particular conditions we have here. So here you can see the project specific modification, then tailored to local law and project requirements. Okay, so it can be modified or added details to suit regional regulations or employer needs. Okay, so the dual you can say structure ensures a balance between standardization and flexibility, allowing to FIDIC to be used effectively worldwide. Okay. So next we have key features of FIDIC. So FIDIC contracts are known for their clarity and balance. So key features include the well-defined risk allocation between employer and contractors, then procedures for handling changes such as variation and EOT. Here you can see then the transparent payments and valuation methods, and then next you can see uh, claims and dispute resolution. So it uh, next you can see claims and dispute resolution. Okay, so it provides a structured claim submission and evaluation process, then independent engineers acting as a neutral party to certify work. Then dispute avoidance adjudication board in the modern editions. So these features make FIDIC a professional and fair system for managing even the most complex projects. Okay. Next, we have the parties in FIDIC contracts. So FIDIC identifies three main parties. First is the employer. Uh, you can say owns and funds the project, responsible for providing site access, approval, and timely payments. Second, we have engineer. Okay, engineer. So engineer acts as the engineer's representative, but must be impartial and administering the contract, review design, approves claims, and certifies payments. Okay. Then third is the contractor. Contractor execute the construction or design build work as per the contract requirements. Okay. So next we have here, you can see the subcontractors and suppliers. Actually, these are the additional parties. You can say supporting the contractor's obligation. Okay. So this structure approach ensures clarity of communication, defined responsibilities, and efficient project administration. Okay. Next, we have the benefits of FIDIC. So, using FIDIC brings many advantages. You can see here internationally recognized and accepted. Then we have reduced disputes via structured procedures, then balanced employer expectations and contractor risk, then recognized by court arbitration and funding agencies. Okay, so, uh, so FIDI creates a predictable and professional environment, ensuring both the employer and the contractors can work collaboratively. Okay. Next, we have the challenges with the FIDIC. So while FIDIC is powerful, it also the required skilled professionals to administer. So skilled professional to interpret and administer the clause correctly. It is very important. Then second, careful customization in the particular conditions. Too many changes can disrupt FIDIC's balance. Okay. Then third is the proper record keeping and communication. Otherwise, claims may be rejected. So misuse or misunderstanding of clause often leads to delays, disputes, and cost overruns, especially when the parties do not follow notice or claim procedures properly. Okay. So finally, we have here conclusion. So now let's conclude. So FIDIC is globally benchmark for engineering and construction contracts. It provides a fair, structured, and internationally accepted approach for managing projects. Then it is understanding FIDIC is essential for professional involved in EOT delay analysis, claims, and dispute resolution. So, if you aim to become a project manager, planner, or a contract administrator, mastering FIDIC is a critical career skills. Okay, so remember, FIDIC is not just a contract; it's a system that promotes fairness, transparency, and efficiency in project delivery. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.